All right, so what I did here is I used one of my cameras. These are Blink cameras. They're battery operated, so you can put them anywhere around your house. You can see the nest up there. Let me see if I can get closer here. Yeah, it's up there, and I'll throw in a bunch of pictures. But it's been up there since they had the eggs. We didn't want them to go up there because they're making a big mess, and I got to clean it all up. There's a lot of, all that white stuff is poop. So yeah, anyway, the Blink cameras are perfect for that. I've got some Velcro going on up there. So every year I take it down. Normally this is in the kitchen, the camera is. And when I have a nest like this, I like to video or record what's going on in there. So, all right, let me show you what's going on here. As you can see, I have another camera up here. Oh, go closer. This one is 1080. And the other one, that white one, is for inside only, but I still use it outside. It's a 720 camera. All the new ones now I think are 1080. So they're pretty clear. All right, so this is me taking pictures of the nest and the camera. And these are the eggs we started with. It started out with 4, but for some reason we ended up with 5 birds. So here you can see them just a little bit there. The one on the very top right is on his back. But there are five birds in that little nest. Here they are feeding. You can clearly see 5 birds. And feel sorry for that one at the bottom there. Is not getting any food from the dad. This is dad. Dad's in color. Mom is not. There's a closer video of it with no sound. So you're doing a voice over. But I slowed this down a little bit so you could see what's going on. See that little bird right there in front? It's just not getting any food. Come on, feed me, feed me. Oh well, I'm sure he was fed. And then there's daddy bird feeding mommy bird. And I did that one in slow motion as well. And a better close-up, as you will see in the next video. Sorry about the sound. I guess I'll have to lower that sound a little bit. But they definitely work in pairs. Daddy bird's always there when mommy bird's there, so that's what's going on. Again, another picture of them stacked inside that thing. They're getting bigger and they need more room. This is the actual Blink app. You can see my 3 cameras. Again, this is in slow motion. It was soon after they hatched. And then this is the very last picture I just took a few minutes ago. So please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell, and any comments, I'll appreciate it. Thanks.